I'm Gina Hughes with the Atlanta Symphony Orchestra, and I'm going to be talking to you about making your first sound on the flute. We're going to be talking about your embouchure, which is a French word basically meaning your lip muscles. So what you want to do is form your embouchure by imagining 1 grain of rice sitting in between your lips, and you want to hold it in place. Make sure that you're avoiding keeping your lips too tight, especially in the corners. Don't smile. Keep them nice and relaxed. Also avoid too many wrinkles in your lips. The placement of the head joint goes like this. You take the edge of your tone hole and you place it right where your lip meets your chin, right on that line. Make sure that you're blowing fast air and that you're angling it forwards and slightly down. Make sure that your air is angled so that half of your air goes into the head joint and half of it goes out here. And you can feel that by placing your hand in front of your lips and feeling the air. It's very similar to making a sound on a glass Coke bottle. Once you've gotten your first sound out, you can experiment with other sounds. You can take your hand and cover the end of the head joint to make this. You can also do this. Place your finger inside the head joint and pull it out. If you're having trouble with this, you can also imagine the air leaving your lips at the point where it's wet, just slightly on the inside of your lips. So you can roll your lips out just a little bit, and you can think of a little pout. Once you've made your first sound using the head joint, go ahead and attach the head joint to the body. Twist on. Remember to think of a grain of rice sitting between your lips. Place the edge of the tone hole against the line where your lip meets your chin. Think of your air being fast, angled forward and slightly down, and keep your lips as relaxed as possible. I think this is one of the hardest things about playing the flute is making your first sound. So don't give up, you will get there eventually. And once you do, you'll have a lot of fun.